Hello everyone, welcome to Farm AI. It is a next generation platform designed to revolutionize the way farmers and agriculture professionals manage their daily operations, connect with each other, and access expert advice. Our vision is that agriculture is the backbone of our society, yet farmers often face challenges such as unpredictable weather, fluctuating market prices, pest outbreaks, and limited access to timely information. Our goal is to bridge these gaps by providing a single, integrated digital solution that empowers farmers to make smarter, data driven decisions and build a supportive community. So, you might ask this, why this app? So, our app empowers farmers. We want to put the power of AI, real time data, and community support directly into the hands of those who feed the world. Accessibility. By leveraging mobile technologies, we ensure that even farmers in remote areas can access the latest information and expert guidance. Sustainability. Our app encourages sustainable farming practices by providing personalized recommendations and early warnings for diseases and pests. Community building. We believe that knowledge sharing and peer support are crucial for agriculture success. So we have built a vibrant community space right into the app. So the question arises, what makes us different? So the answer is it is an all in one platform. Unlike other solutions that focus on just one aspect like weather, market prices, or disease detection, our app brings everything together in a seamless, user friendly experience. AI at the core. From on device plant disease detection to real time chatbot support and custom treatment recommendations, artificial intelligence is woven into every feature. Localized and personalized. Features like state specific crop calendars, soil recommendation based on your input, and language unit customization ensure that the app which you are using is relevant to yourself. Fun and engagement. We have added some unique touches like 3D and navigation animation and even Star Wars Easter eggs which you can find out so to encourage a user friendly platform. So the tech stacks which we have used is for the front end, we have used Flutter for cross platform mobile development. For the back end, Firebase Auth is used for user authentication and data management. For machine learning, TensorFlow Lite, also known as TFLite, is used for on device plant disease detection. It is a pre trained model. For APIs, weatherapi.com is used for real-time fetching of weather data, along with market price APIs is used for live commodity prices. AI chatbot and generative AI features are also implemented with the help of Google Gemini for real-time, expert-level conversational support and custom treatment recommendations. The track which we chose was AI ML, and the business model which we are going to offer is it will be divided into two tiers. For the free model, the core features such as community, crop calendar, market prices, basic AI analyze, and chatbot will be there for all users. For the premium features, which we are going to implement in the future plan, it includes four options: advanced analytics, which includes yield prediction and pest outbreak alerts, personalized crop advisory using satellite or IoT data, marketplace for direct buying and selling of produce and agri inputs, as well as voice assistant for multi-language support. There will be B2B partnership, which means collaborate with agri input companies, local cooperatives, and government agencies for sponsored content, target advisories, and scheme dissemination. So, the the challenges and bounties which we have solved in this are Challenge 1, creation and integration of friendly farming mascot, Challenge 3, integration of a Star Wars hidden Easter eggs, and Challenge 4, 3D animation integration, which we have done in the navigation bar. So, depending upon whether you are a first time user or an already existing user, you can choose the other apps and log into the app. So, in when you go to the app, the first time it will be visible is Farm AI dashboard, and there will be five different navigation. So, the first navigation is a community form. In that, real-time chat and discussion support board is there for farmers. Farmers can share tips, ask questions, and support each other. So, the next navigation bar is the crop calendar. Here, all the different state options are labeled along with their state-wise crop planning. Uh, Visual calendar is there for sowing, growing, and harvesting periods. Next in the dashboard navigation, where live market dashboard is there, which supports up-to-date prices for major crops and helps farmers make informed selling decisions. As well as there's automatic scrolling option also in there. Next is the soil parameters option. In there, you can give the soil moisture and soil temperature, pH level, and nitrogen level of your soil according to the data, and then the app will give you the recommendation according to it. So, suppose if I give you some data such as this 50 is my soil moisture, my temperature, suppose let's 32, which is very good, and suppose if it's a pH is 1, which means it's too acidic, and nitrogen level, let's assume, let's give it a bad one. Okay, yeah, so now you can see we already get a vague idea from the UI which is there, that the green ones are good, the red ones or the orange one are bad. Or we already get an impression. But for more detailed analysis, we can click on get soil recommendation, which will take some time, and then recommendation is visible to us, which is that the soil moisture is optimal, soil temperature is good, as we can see. And for the acidic and high, it has said that it is, since soil is acidic, we should add lime to raise the pH, and nitrogen is high, so we should avoid further nitrogen fertilization. So that is. There is also the option of AI analysis, where either the user can either take a photo or upload a photo from the gallery. Suppose I have uploaded a photo of a tomato which has a late blight disease, and now the what happens is the on-device TFLite model will identify the plant type and the disease. And when I click on the treatment button, it will generate a custom solution according to the disease which it has detected. So as you can see, our model has detected that the image has the tomato is of a tomato which has a late blight disease, and the responses of the treatment which it should be followed is generated in the bottom. We have also included a chatbot called Harivesh Farmer. In that, you can ask him related to inquiries related to anything about farming. So, I want to know more about farming in North India. And after sending this query, in a matter of few seconds, the responses will be generated, which are actually timely, accurate, conversational, and context aware. So now we have also added an option of weather, which is for real-time weather for any city. People can either search from popular cities which they want, or either they can search for any city in the search section, and they can get the weather of the city which they want to know about. We have also added a fun Star Wars Easter eggs. So since they belong to the Jedi team, we have enabled the feature that if you search for a Jedi planet, so let's for example we search for Yukio, which is a Jedi planet. Now the Jedi lore will be unlocked according to it. So you can see it will tell you the details about the Yukio planet along with why it is associated. We have written 11 Easter eggs of the planets. This is one of them. Rest you have to find it out. Now we have one more section called reminders section, which stays up to date about the latest and the previous government schemes that have been there. So you can see the new schemes which are the latest as of 2025 is being shown in the new schemes option, and then there's also option of previous schemes which shows the older schemes which government has released up to now. Now there's also a small settings option in the farmyard dashboard in the right side. Now when you click on it, you can either edit a profile, change password, or you can either go and change the notification language, units of measurement, or the app version which you want to select. And finally, there's a sign out option in case you want to log out and go to the home page. So this is our app.